Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make a dosa loaded with high amount of protein and fiber in my Royal Kitchen. Before going to proceed, I want to request you, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support to the promotion of my channel. Please do support my channel. Let's get started. To make protein rich dosa, I have taken 1/4 cup of peanuts, 1/4 cup of black gram, 1/4 cup of red lentils, 1/4 cup of green gram, 1/4 cup of split chickpeas, 1/4 cup of foxtail millet, 1/4 cup of oats. This dosa is proved to be rich in vitamins and minerals like iron, potassium and folate, calcium, zinc, magnesium, vitamin B1 and B3. Rich in antioxidants, protects against many diseases. Protein in them repairs the wounds and strengthen our body. High potassium and low sodium in this helps to regulate the blood pressure, thus keeps our heart healthy. Contains low glycemic index, reduce the risk of diabetes, reduce the risk of cancers because it contains selenium. It decreases tumor growth, boosts immunity, stimulates T cells production which helps in fighting diseases. Good source of folate, very good during rapid growth stages such as infancy and pregnancy. So growing children and pregnant women should include a fair amount of pulses containing recipes in their daily diet. Good for those who are in weight loss management because it contains proteins. It controls appetite and creates a feeling of satisfaction and fullness. Wash all the ingredients with 3 waters and soak them for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. I have washed the ingredients with 3 waters to remove the impurities and fertilizers in them and keep it aside for overnight. For soaking, I have soaked the pulses for overnight. They are soaked up very well. Let us grind them into a smooth paste. I have drained out the entire water from the pulses. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 to 5 broken green chilies, 2 inches of ginger, 1 cup of coriander leaves. To this add half a cup of fresh water. Don't use the drained out water, throw away that water. I have grounded everything into a smooth batter. Now transfer it into a mixing bowl. To this add 1 cup of rinsed water. Our foxtail millets are very hard to grind, so make sure that we have to grind it in a high speed mode. Now let us take a pan to make the chutney. To this add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 2 diced onions. To this add 15 cloves of garlic. We have to fry all of them for 5 minutes in a high flame until they turned into their translucent by covering the lid of the pan. Occasionally stir them in between so that they may not burnt. Like this we have to fry all of them. Now transfer them into a mixer grinder and to this add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Grind all of them into a smooth paste. Adjust the amount of water in our batter to maintain this much of flowing consistency in our batter. I have kept the pan for heating. On this add half a teaspoon of oil. Now spread the oil all over the dosa pan with the help of a tissue paper. Now sprinkle some water to reduce the heat of the pan. Again we have to wipe the entire water on the pan. Take 1 ladle full of batter and pour it on the dosa pan and spread it. Keep the flame in medium while spreading the dosa. Now pour 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil on the dosa. When the surface of the dosa is dried up, then only we have to apply the oil on the dosa. And spread the oil all over the dosa with the help of a brush like this. Keep the flame in medium high and turning the sides of the pan like this. We have to bake the dosa from all the sides. This dosa proves to be a very healthy, diabetic friendly and weight loss friendly dosa because we have not used any rice grains in this. We have used the foxtail millets. These are the excellent source of iron, calcium, which keeps our bones and muscles healthy. Phosphorus protects us from brittling of bones. It is rich in vitamin D also. Now let us check whether dosa is roasted well or not. Foxtail millets are heart healthy, reduce the chances of blockage in heart, protects from heart attacks and strokes, controls diabetes because it is an excellent substitute for rice. It is gluten free also. It eliminates viruses and germs, improves digestion, high in antioxidants, fights against cancers, anti-aging. It contains amino acids in them which keeps our skin healthy by producing collagen. More in iron, protects us from Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Now our dosa is ready to take out. See, our crunchy and yummy delicious dosa is ready. Let us transfer it into a serving plate. See, it is very crispy and crunchy. Now let us repeat the process. You have to sprinkle the water and wipe out the entire water from the pan. Keep the flame in medium. Pour 1 ladle of batter and spread it all over the pan like this. We have to gently spread it, otherwise gaps will be formed on the dosa. Don't rub it harshly. Keep the flame in medium. Apply oil all over the dosa. To make this dosa, we have also used oats. They lowers blood sugar levels. This is also gluten free, provides antioxidants. It contains avananthrimides. It is the only antioxidant present in oats only. Promotes healthy bacteria in our gut, helps to feel full, to manage our weight. So it is very good for weight loss management. People who are in a weight loss, they can lose their weight up to 5 to 6 kg per month if we eat these type of protein rich foods. Eases constipation, relieves skin itching and irritation, lowers your chance of colon cancer, contains manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc and folate, and contains vitamin B1, B5, calcium, potassium and vitamin B6. It is rich in protein also. Eat these type of dosas at least once in a week or twice in a week to keep your body healthy. On this dosa, I am sprinkling some chopped onions and chopped coriander leaves. Now roll the dosa like this. And transfer it into the serving pan. This time I will spread some onion garlic chutney all over the dosa. Spread it on half of the dosa and sprinkle onions and coriander leaves also. Now let us flip the dosa like this, half of the dosa, and cover it on the other side of the dosa and transfer it into a serving plate. Now our diabetic friendly, weight loss friendly, protein rich dosas are ready to eat and serve. Make them according to your taste. This is our sambar. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.